Good day, students. So we are now in week 11. We are in the chapter 4, lesson 3, conserving land and soil. This lesson is for grade 8 life science subject. For your reference, interactive science, pages 130 to page 130. The objectives of this lesson: to understand on how do people use land, to identify why is soil management important. Less than a quarter of Earth's surface is dry, ice-free land. All people on Earth must share this limited amount of land to produce their food, build shelter, and other resources. And how do people use land? First is agriculture, second is mining, third is development. In agriculture, land provides most of the food that people eat. The crops, such as the wheat, requires a lot of fertile land, but less than a third of the Earth's land can be farmed. The rest is too dry, too salty, or too mountainous. And the second is mining. Mining is the removal of non-renewable resources from the land. Resources just below the surface are strip mined. Strip mining removes a strip of land to obtain minerals. The strip mining exposes soil, which can then be blown or washed away. And the third is development. People settled in an area that had good soil near fresh water. As population grew, the settlements became towns and cities. The people developed the land of constructing buildings, bridges, and roads. Let's move on page 132. Why is soil management important? To understand why soil management is important, we have to know that the structure and function of fertile soil. Take a look on page 132. Figure 2 is structure of the fertile soil. If you're going to take a look on the illustration or structure, it's identified on the drawing, the topsoil, the litter, and the subsoil together with the bedrock. When we say topsoil, it is the mixture of rock fragments, nutrients, water, air, and decaying animals and matter. When we say litter, it's the top layer of the earth, leaves, and grass. And when we say subsoil, it's below the topsoil on the layers of the fragments. And when we say bedrocks, it is the rocks that make up the earth's crust. And why is soil important? Without soil, most life on land could not exist. Poor soil management can be result in three problems. We have the erosion, the nutrient depletion, and desertification. The illustration here is structure of the fertile soil: topsoil, the litter, the subsoil, and the bedrock. What is erosion? Normally, the plant roots hold soil in place, but when plants are removed during the logging, mining, and farming, the soil is exposed and soil particles that can easily move. And that process is what we call erosion, by which the water, wind, or ice moves particles of rocks or What is desertification? If the soil in a once fertile are become depleted or moisture and nutrients, the area can become a desert. The advance of desert-like condition in an area are previously where the fertile land is called desertification. And here's the picture of desertification process. Land reclamation. Fortunately, it is possible to replace land damage or erosion of mining. The process of restoring an area of land to more productive state is called the land reclamation. In addition to restoring land for agriculture, land reclamation can restore habitat for wildlife. For the summary of the lesson, how do people use land? You can read it. It is flashed already. And why is soil management important? Answers evaluation on college site. There is evaluation quiz and also the person online evaluation. If you have any questions, see the website of Schoology. Thank you.